वेलकम टू वेल्स क्विक टिप्स एंड ट्रिक यूट्यूब कुकिंग चॅनल. सगळ्यांक तुमकां येवकार दिता म्हाज्या कुकिंग चॅनलाचेर. आनी आयज हांव तुमकां दाखयता आमची गोंयची पालूची कोडी. ना गोवन पालू फिश. इन कोंकणी इट इज पालू, बट इन English it is white snapper, you can say. Yeah, they say white snapper for palu. So it's in this color when you get, and I have cleaned it nicely, removed all the scales, and now I'm going to make curry. So it's like half kg fish, and then I have going to fry also. So this is the curry. So I've applied salt. This is 1 teaspoon of ginger garlic paste and salt, and we'll apply this for this, and we'll keep this. Till then we'll grind our masala for the curry. So what we need is, this is grated coconut. So I have taken it like half coconut. Then we'll add 1 Kashmiri chili, around 3 of Goan chili, then tamarind 1 small ball, and half of onion. Then we'll add, now you can add coriander seed also. So this is homemade only coriander powder, 1 teaspoon, and this is 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder and 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds. So this is all. We have to grind this to a fine paste for our curry. So now the masala is ready. So we take a vessel, add this, and we are not going to add any oil to this curry. So this is no oil. Then we'll add water to this, how much we need. So this is how much you need, the thickness accordingly you add the water. Now we'll add our onion to this. And our tomato also, and we'll leave it for our cooking. And then we will add our salt and fish. So here the gas is on, curry is here. Okay. तर आमी हे शिजोवन घेवया. तेल आमचो कानो आनी तांबड बरे भशेन शिजोवन हितून मागीर नुस्तें घालया. So we'll cook this till our onion and tomato gets cooked in this. Now at this point we will add our salt to taste. So I have not added garlic, but if you want you can do. So we'll cover this and we'll cook this. So now here it is. So we'll add our fish in this. Give a mix and let it get cooked till the fish is done. So maybe 5 minutes is more than enough. For all this to get cooked. Check the salt. Nice. Cover this and cook this for 5 to 10 minutes. And before that, I will add little bit of Goan tefa, so just to give a flavor for our curry. So just a flavor. I added the tefa, so it gives us nice aroma. So here is our Palu curry ready. The fish is cooked, the tomatoes are cooked, the onions are cooked, no oil, zero oil, and tasty, and the fish looks yum. So hope you all will enjoy this curry. And I think so I had one more video of no oil curry, so of Goan fish curry only. So hope you all will enjoy this curry, and do let me know. तो मानता की तुमकां ही आवडटली कोडी आमची गोंयची स्वादीक टेस्टी यम्मी पालूची कोडी. पालू सिजनलान केन्नाय मेवता, तो म्हाका मेवलो हांवें हाडलो, आनी पालवाची कोडी शिता बरोबर आनी भाजी सायडीक खावन बरी भशेन खायात. थँक्यू सो मच. देव बरें करूं.